Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the flagship Vivo V40. And guys, and this is a new high-end mid-range phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 1,40,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have a 12 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and this is the white color of the Vivo V40, and this is a 5G phone obviously. Also, this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and I would say that in the price of the Vivo V40 it should be around 1,20,000 PKR, and then this phone will be more worth it. So here's the box of the Vivo V40. So it is a camera centric phone. So without any wasting time, let me remove the plastic with my knife. And a smaller Vivo V40e hasn't launched in the Pakistan market yet. We only have the Vivo V40 here in the Pakistan market. So again we have a black box. So this time with the Vivo V40 we co-engineered with OIS, and this is a camera company. So on the top we have our device Vivo V40 in the white color. Let's see. So you can see here's a gorgeous Vivo V40 looks like in the white color. So on the back we have a glossy finish, although I am really liking the camera layout on this phone. On the back we have dual cameras. Actually we have 50 megapixel OIS main camera, then we have 50 megapixel ultra wide with the aura light on the back. So the back is made up of glass actually, and the frame it is made up of plastic because I can't see any antenna bands. So it is a matte frame. Obviously we have a curved AMOLED display on the front. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So we also have screen protector which is already installed on the front. So here is a soft silicone case, and here is our quick start guide as well as warranty card information. Here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 80-watt Vivo flash charger. So this phone maximum support 80 watt. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, and lastly we have a SIM injection tool inside the box. No hand-free inside the box, and the good thing is that we have a charger in the box. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's hit the physical overview. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone as well as SIM tray. So let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. So guys, it is a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with the 1 nano SIMs or the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we have a rubber gasket. So on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have our another microphones. This phone also has 0 speakers. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker with a power on a button. So on the back we have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera. Also we have a OIS coating on the cameras. So now let's talk about the display. So this phone has a beautiful 6.7 inch full HD plus AMOLED. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with the center punch hole on the top, and this phone has a 4500 nits of peak brightness. Also this is a curved AMOLED display with a really small bottom chin. Also this phone is powered by new Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC, which is a big upgrade over the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 we have on the previous generation. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V40, and guys, in the first impression about the display quality, again this phone has a gorgeous looking AMOLED display. So now let's see the max brightness. So here's the max brightness looks like, and you can see the display is really bright. So here's the notification panel looks like. We also have NFC about phone. So this phone is running on Android 14. Also we have Vivo Fun Touch OS version 14. We have 256 GB of internal storage, 231 GB it is available for you guys. Also we have a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC on this phone with a 12 GB of RAM. Let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. You can see in the fingerprint scanner it works absolutely fast, and here are the pre-installed apps we have in this phone. So let's look at the camera, which is the main highlight of the Vivo V40. So here's the camera UI looks like. So here is your 1x, and here is your ultra wide. Ultra wide looks really good. And here's the portrait mode. We have a different focal length. So you can see here is a 1x, here is a 2x, and here is a 3x I believe. It is a digital zoom. So it is the night mode. here's the ultra wide, and here's the 2x. So here's the video mode. We have ultra steady mode on this phone, which gave you a better video stabilization. Also, here's a back camera video recording size. We have 4K at 30 fps maximum support with the back camera. Micro movie in the mode section. We also have slow motion. We also have pro mode. We also have super mode. We also have a dual view video mode, which uses the front camera as well as the back camera at the same time. Now let's see the front facing camera. Again, on the front we have 50 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera, it is one of the best on the Vivo V40. Like always, we have on the Vivo V series phone. So here's the portrait mode, and here's the night mode, and here is a video mode with the front facing camera, and the front camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p at 60 fps with the front facing camera even. So all those things, it is available on this phone. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5500 mAh battery size, which is the biggest in this price range we have. So this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also, we have 80-watt super fast charging, and I will be making a separate video about the battery charging speed of this phone, so stay tuned for that. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V40. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.